Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So if you are new here, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can get latest hairstyles, latest haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas and hair growth remedies and girls hair accessories for women's and men's both. So basically, this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. So if you also a hair fashion lover, then you come on a right platform. I provided you latest hairstyles and haircuts ideas for you. So don't forget to like and share my video and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. So guys, you must watching my videos without skipping it and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other peoples as well as your family members and friends. So come to the main point. In this video, I am sharing with you a sleek front loose back hairstyle. As we've seen throughout time, hairstyles have inspired culture, movements, influenced identity, expression and defined decades. Just take a classic vintage look like the 60s behave updo, for example, which evokes memories of Diana Ross. Now in 22, we are pulling together a list of looks that have been making a statement throughout the year, and here to help are two celebrities hairstylists, educator Vernon Francois and second one is Saviano. So let's talk about this hairstyle. The sleek back is a look that we have all loved for a while now, and the good news is that it's not going anywhere. There are many variations of this style, one of which is a contrasting style where the hair is slicked back at the front and loose at the back. Says Francois, if you don't like to try another look in this vein, experiment with a middle part and a top knot, a style that is taking social media by storm at the moment. Okay, here I am also telling you about the product which is help for you. If you are in need of some styling product to get that effortless sleek appearance, look no further than Vernon Francois styling cream. It was going to very helpful for you. And this is one of the best hairstyle for the ladies or girls. It provided you smallest and coolest look. If you want to go any event, you can carry this haircut and this hairstyle and make your look adorable. So sleek hair or fur is smooth and shiny and looks healthy. Before going to the party, he slicked back in hair with hair gel. Most of the celebrities are inspired with this hairstyle. So guys, as you can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures here in front of you. The girls looking more prettiest and beautiful. Sleek hairstyle is very trendy between the women's and men's both. So this hairstyle is trending in 2022. So guys, I work so hard for you with honesty. So keep watching my videos and keep spotting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I will try to complete your request with hard working. So if you also inspire with this hairstyle, you can also adopt this hairstyle and make your look more enhanced and adorable. So guys, I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear beautiful girls, please support me by sharing my videos with your family and friends. If you want to know more ideas, let me tell in the comment section. I will try to complete your suggestions. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon and take care.